Hey, good afternoon. This is Kevin Gilmore with the National Weather Service New Orleans Baton Rouge office located in Salado, Louisiana. This is your weekly weather briefing for Sunday, April 16th. Starting off with a situation overview where we'll discuss the weather hazards the next 5 to 7 days. Starting with today, very pleasant, very nice day today with mild temperatures, but it's a bit breezy. We will begin a big warming trend going all the way through the new week ahead, returning to the 80s by mid to late week. And then, of course, with that comes the chance for isolated scattered showers and maybe a few thunderstorms as we get later in the week into next weekend, which we'll talk about coming up. First, starting off with what's going on outside the window here. Pleasant and mild, very nice day for festivals, any type of outdoor activities. We'll top out around the upper 60s to lower 70s with a northwest wind around 5 to 15 with occasional breezy gusts around 20 miles per hour. But again, an overall real nice day to get out and enjoy the day. Here's the next 6 days as we plan ahead for New Orleans, Baton Rouge, and Macomb. As discussed before, we have that warming trend going in all the way through the upcoming week, reaching the 80s mid to late week, possibly hitting the mid 80s there, Baton Rouge at 85. But really, what's nice to see here is those cool temperatures in the morning. Look at that. We're talking about the mid to upper 40s for Baton Rouge and Macomb. That's going to be very crisp and cool mornings here early to mid-week. But also we got to kind of watch here too the chance for some isolated showers or maybe a rumble of thunder Thursday and Friday as we start to get that return flow back from the south again. You see the morning lows get a little bit warmer. We get a little bit more moisture in the atmosphere, and with a cold front approaching from the northwest, typically we kind of get that chance for maybe an isolated pop-up shower in the afternoon hours primarily. So we'll keep an eye on that as we get towards the later part of the week. Looking a little bit beyond that, we're going to kind of peek now towards late week into next weekend. From the Climate Prediction Center, their 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. There are some indications that a front will attempt to get down to our area late week into next weekend. However, we're not exactly confident or sure if that front will pass through or hang up somewhere. We mean by hang up is stall or slow down near the area, which of course that could cause some rain issues for our area. But again, just a low confident forecast for now as we get towards the very end of the forecast period. And with precipitation, of course, if that front does slow down, we're going to be seeing above normal precipitation across the area. Regardless, even if the front does pass through, we'll see rain chances, but be aware that if this front does slow down and we don't get those cool temperatures or as cool as the temperatures you see up to the northwest, we could have more heavier rain or greater chance of more widespread shower and storms late week into next weekend. And that concludes this briefing, and I hope you have a great week.